Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Josh here with another exciting episode of Cryptomania, bringing you the hottest XRP news right off the press. Today we're diving into some major developments that could send XRP soaring to new heights. So buckle up, because there's a lot to cover. Bitcoin just touched the incredible $105,000 mark, and the entire crypto market is responding positively. XRP is showing promising signs of following this bullish trend, with multiple catalysts lining up that could trigger a significant price movement in the coming weeks. First, let's talk about those impressive trading volumes. XRP recently saw its trading volume double to a staggering $4.8 billion in just 24 hours. This surge in volume pushed the price up to $2.21, gaining nearly 6% during the Asian trading session. This is a clear sign that buyers are taking back control after a failed bearish attempt to push XRP below the $2 mark. The technical indicators are looking favorable too. XRP is currently facing resistance at $2.26, but if it breaks through this level, we could see a bullish breakout toward $2.60, and that might just be the beginning. Now here's where things get really interesting. Three major catalysts are converging in June 2025 that could potentially send XRP to unprecedented heights. First, we have the potential approval of a spot XRP ETF. All eyes are on June 17th, when the SEC might give the green light to Franklin Templeton's spot XRP ETF application. This decision was initially expected in early May, but has been pushed back to June. Remember what happened when Bitcoin's spot ETFs were approved back in January 2024? Bitcoin's price soared dramatically, and XRP could follow a similar path if its ETF gets approved. Second, the CME Group is set to launch XRP futures on May 19th. This is huge news, as it signals growing institutional interest and will bring XRP into the institutional derivatives market alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. This opens the door for regulated institutional access via familiar trading instruments, potentially driving substantial new investment into XRP. Third, the regulatory environment for XRP continues to improve. Ripple gained significant momentum after the SEC dropped charges against two top executives, boosting investor confidence and clearing a path for broader institutional adoption. This improved regulatory clarity is essential for attracting more institutional investors to XRP. Some analysts are getting quite bullish with their price predictions. Telegram analysts predict XRP could reach a maximum price of $5.87 in 2025. To put that in perspective, XRP is currently down about 29% from its all-time high of $3.40, which it reached back in January 2018. To hit the $5 mark, XRP would need to rally by approximately 112% from its current level. It's worth noting that there are currently 10 XRP ETF applications with the SEC, and there's a high probability that at least one will be approved this year. If that happens, we could see a massive influx of institutional investments, potentially triggering a significant price surge. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. XRP recently experienced a 5-session decline, hitting $2 on May 6th, down 7% over those 5 days. This decline was driven by several factors, including bearish technical patterns, declining network activity, macroeconomic uncertainties, profit-taking, and regulatory delays. Investors should keep an eye on key support levels at $2.08 and $1.89. As a break below could signal further declines. Conversely, a breakout above $2.26 or positive ETF news could spark a recovery. The crypto market is also responding positively to broader economic developments. The recent announcement of a US-UK trade agreement by President Trump sent both the stock market and crypto market upward. Additionally, Arizona's move to create a digital asset reserve fund may have boosted market confidence after the governor signed the bill into law. Ripple continues to demonstrate its technological prowess as well. CTO David Schwartz earned praise for swiftly addressing a global Bluetooth vulnerability, underscoring the company's technical credentials. So, what's the bottom line? XRP is at a pivotal moment with multiple potential catalysts on the horizon. While there are some short-term pressures, the medium to long-term outlook appears increasingly positive with ETF approvals, futures launches, and improving regulatory clarity, all potentially driving XRP toward new highs. That's all for today's XRP News Update. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to Cryptomania for daily cryptocurrency updates. Don't forget to share this video with your crypto buddies and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. This is Josh signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.